Want to build more muscle, explosive athleticism, and unbreakable mobility without the constant soreness, injuries, or burnout from endless bodybuilding and powerlifting programs? You don't need complicated programs, bro splits, or max effort lifting sessions with heavy traditional gym equipment. It only takes 5 primal exercises and a few smart sessions per week to get the strong, athletic, pain-free body most busy people chase for years. I've used these exact moves to go from a broken, stiff ex-rugby player with reoccurring hamstring issues to feeling 10 years younger, smashing Hyrox PRs and training and competing in amateur MMA and boxing while working full-time in a sedentary job and raising a family. In this video, I'm breaking down all the 5 exercises step by step, and stick around to the end and I'll show you how to put them into a simple weekly structure so you can start following along today. Number 1, Australian pull-ups. This is the horizontal pulling pattern that balances out all your pushing and builds a thick, strong mid-back. Really works your rhomboids, traps, rear delts, and biceps. So how to do it? Set the bar at waist height, get under it with a straight body like a plank. Pull your chest to the bar, squeeze your shoulder blades hard at the top, then lower down with control. Elevate your feet to make it tougher. And add weight if you're brave enough. Start with 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. These fixed my rounded shoulders and gave me real upper body thickness without the shoulder pain I used to get from sitting down all day in my job. Number 2, pull-ups. The vertical pulling pattern that builds a wide, thick back with your lats, upper back, biceps, forearms, and core all working together. There's different grips. I prefer grips slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Start from a full dead hang, pull your chest to the bar, pause at the top, and lower slowly. Can't do full reps yet? That's all right. Start with dead hangs and negative reps. And if you can't do that, add a band. They still work just as effectively. Now, once you can hit 8 to 10 clean reps, add weight. These gave me serious pulling power and upper body muscle without wrecking my shoulders. Helped in multiple sports that I competed in. Number 3, decline feet elevated push-up. This push-in pattern uses natural shoulder movement instead of just doing machines all the time. It targets the upper chest, shoulders, and triceps with a deep stretch. Feet elevated, body rigid like a plank, lower slowly for a deep stretch, then explode back up. Raise your feet higher or add a vest to keep progressing. These really improve my chest and shoulders while actually improving my joint health and mobility instead of destroying it. Number 4, suitcase carries. This loaded carry pattern is full body strength in motion. It builds grip, traps, obliques, core, and real world stability. Grab a heavy kettlebell or barbell in one hand for less stability. Stand tall, brace your core, and walk 30 to 60 seconds or longer if you can do it per side. Don't let yourself lean. Stay nice and upright. This exercise gave me real world muscle, help with my posture, bulletproof grip, and stability that transfers to everything I do. Number 5, sled push. The explosive lower body pattern that builds powerful, athletic legs and conditioning like nothing else. Lean in, drive with short, powerful steps, go heavy for strength or lighter and faster for speed. Hits quads, glutes, calves, and core hard. This helped me with explosive leg power and drive that I never got with traditional barbell squats alone, and it's much kinder on the lower back. I've been running these 5 primal exercises consistently and the difference is unreal. More usable muscle, 0 nagging pains, better mobility, and that lean, explosive feel I thought I lost forever chasing the old school programs. Simple weekly plan. Do these 5 exercises 3 days per week. Example, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Number 1 is Australian pull-ups, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. 2 is pull-ups, 4 sets of max reps. Number 3, decline push-ups, 3 sets of 8 to 15 reps. 4, single arm farmer's carry, 3 rounds of 30 to 60 seconds per side. Number 5, sled push. Try and aim for around 20 to 40 meters. Now you can split them up into individually, just do one exercise, then move on to the other. You can put them into a circuit. You can put them into a 15-minute, as many rounds as possible. Sky's the limit with this one. Just pick those exercises, pick the amount of reps that you want to be doing, say around 40 reps per exercise, or in terms of meters, try and aim for around 50 to 100 meters. That should keep you going for a bit. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Keep sessions under 30 to 40 minutes. Progress by adding reps, weight, or distance each week. These 5 moves build more real-world strength and muscle than most complicated lifting routines ever could. If you want the full body program with exact workout sets, reps, and weekly progression, comment Primal below and I'll send it over to you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.